Hi, Mesu Points is a software that solves your problem of adding measuring points to plans of production halls, apartments, or houses. On the left side, you add maps. You can add countless projects by simply typing the name. Easily load plans into your project. But above all, Mesu Points is a quick and easy way to add measurement points. Set the number of points, width of rows and columns, and even the color. As you can see, the points have been added. So simple. In the panel on the right, you can move the points with an accuracy of 1 pixel. You can also move by 10 pixels if you want to speed up your work. You can set the width of the rows as well as the width of the columns. In Mesu Points, you can also rotate the points, which allows you to customize the appearance of the points on the plan as you like. You can increase or decrease the font of the measurement points, but we can also move single points into place as we wish. You choose. When you're done, you can export your design in many popular graphic formats, or simply print. Want to save your time and money? Write to us now and ask for access at a fixed promotional price of only $80 per month. Mesu Points is just for you. One price, many possibilities.